Assalamualaikum dear students. Students, we are starting with the new chapter, chapter number 4, chemical kinetics. Okay, what is kinetics? Branch of the chemistry which deals with the rate of reaction, that is time taken by particular reactant to convert into product, is known as kinetics. So wherein we can learn the kinetics, first of all there are three types of the reactions. The number one, instantaneous reaction. Dear student, those reaction in which simply reactant is converted into mixed and converted into product. So reactants are mostly ionic, that is why it is very fast reaction, instantaneous we can say. Second, very slow reaction. For example, we say that diamond can be converted into graphite, but dear student, it does not take place. It is taking a place like very many years ago, so it will be not taking a place in that sense. And last we have the intermediate reactions. So intermediate reactions are the one which is taking one particular steps over there. So instantaneous and very slow reaction, the other than that we do are not studying the rate of reaction, means chemical kinetics, but we are going to do with the intermediate reactions. Okay, rate of reaction. What does rate of reaction means? Time of appearance of the disappearance of the reactant, or else you can say time of appearance of the product. Rate is equal to decrease in the concentration of the R reactant with respect to the time, or rate is equal to increase in the concentration of the product divided by the time taken. या तो disappearance of the reactant you can consider with the time, या तो product का formation कितना हो रहा है with the time. That is going to give you the rate of reaction. Example is given, R is your reactant, P is the product. Initial concentration R is equal to R1 is equal to T1. Final concentration is equal to R, that is R2 is equal to T2. So how we can write? Rate is equal to R2 minus R1 divided by T2 minus T1. Therefore, delta R divided by delta T. If we take in the terms of the product, rate is equal to P2 minus P1 divided by T2 minus T1, that is equal to delta P divided by delta T, that is in the terms of the product. Here one example is given, PCl5 is giving you PCl3 and Cl2. So how we can write the rate? Rate is equal to minus, how we can write? We can write rate is equal to minus delta PCl5 divided by delta T. माइनस इसलिए क्योंकि रिएक्टेंट हमेशा कम होता है और प्रोडक्ट साइड पे हम माइनस नहीं लिखेंगे क्योंकि वो बढ़ता है, product increases. Rate is equal to also delta PCl3 divided by delta T. It is also equal to delta Cl2 divided by delta T. Means side पे लिखा हुआ, you can go for writing in each sense over there. Okay, instantaneous reaction, one example is given, A plus 2B, that's giving you 2C plus D. How we can write it? Rate is equal to minus dA in concentration of A divided by dt, और माइनस 1/2 जो आपका नंबर है उसको नीचे लिखना है, माइनस 1 by whatever the number is there, यहाँ पे 2 है इसलिए 2, d that is small change, concentration of B divided by dt with respect to the reactant. With respect to the product it will be plus 1/2 concentration of C divided by dt. It is also equal to delta, means your small d, concentration of D divided by dt. So this is the presentation of your रिएक्शन. इसका मतलब आपका जो नंबर लिखा हुआ है आपके कोई भी पर्टिकुलर साइड पे, उसको आपको 1 by लिखना है, 1 देन डिवाइडेड बाय दैट नंबर. अगर प्रोडक्ट साइड पे है तो प्लस और अगर रिएक्टेंट साइड पे है तो माइनस. वन मोर एग्जांपल इज गिवन, 3H2 plus N2 that gives you 2NH3. So dear student, here it is equal to, rate is equal to minus 1/3 dH by dt, or else we can write down minus dN2 by dt. Also we can write down 1/2 plus है dNH3 by dt. So side पे लिखा हुआ है, it is can written by in all the sense together, means rate is equal to all this particular. One more example is given, 2NO2 that gives you 2NO plus O2. Again rate is equal to minus 1/2 d NO2 by dt. Then it is also equal to 1/2 into your d concentration of NO divided by dt, d O2 divided by dt. So this can be the representation. Factors affecting the rate of chemical reaction. Number one, concentration of the species. More the concentration of the reactant, faster is the reaction. It means concentration is directly proportional to the rate of reaction. Also the temperature, जितना temperature बढ़ेगा उतना आपका rate of reaction बढ़ेगा, जितना concentration बढ़ेगा उतना आपका rate of reaction बढ़ेगा. So these are the factors which are affecting, or we can say influencing, the rate of chemical reaction. Also there are certain more which we are going to see now, that is nature of the reactant and the product. Okay, more easily reactant breaks and more easily the product are formed, faster is the rate of reaction. जितना इजीली आपका पुराने बॉन्ड ब्रेक होंगे रिएक्टेंट के और जितना इजीली नए बॉन्ड फॉर्म होंगे प्रोडक्ट के, उतना आपका रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन फास्ट. रिमेंबर दिस. Okay, we also know that presence of catalyst. What is catalyst? Catalyst is the substance or the chemical which increases the rate of reaction without undergoing any chemical change. मतलब आपका जो कैटलिस्ट है वो पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करता, वो सिर्फ रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन को बढ़ाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 2H2 plus O2, PT, platinum is your catalyst, is going to give you 2 moles of water, that is 2H2O. So here a simple reaction is shown which says that rate of the reaction can be increased with the help of the catalyst. Okay, surface area सीधा सीधा proportionate करता है एरिया. surface area is directly proportional to the rate of reaction. For example, burning of the wood log, less area, so it will be taking more time. But if you make the chips of the wood, आप चिप्स बना दो उसकी तो वो ज्यादा जल्दी बर्न हो जाएगा. मीन्स द रिएक्शन रेट विल बी इंक्रीजिंग. एक्सपोजर टू द रेडिएशन, डियर स्टूडेंट, जितना ज्यादा एक्सपोजर होगा, ये सिर्फ कौन से वाले रिएक्शन के लिए है? फोटोलिसिस के लिए है. जितना ज्यादा आपका एक्सपोजर टू द रेडिएशन उतना ज्यादा आपका रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द फैक्टर्स अफेक्टिंग रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन.